Push the button. Yeah, push it. Yeah. Oh, I better film your helicopter. Ooh.
The police helicopter flag the area, making it safe for all the children in the world.
Hey, I better go save a little kid that's from danger. I'm gonna crash! Oh, I didn't crash. I told Thomas. I told my dad. This thing just crashed. You can see his face because his blind one is not all the way up, all the way.
It's not?
No, it's not. Down a little ways on the one. I better fix it. Hey, that needs to break that move. Look at this. You can see his mouth.
You sure can.
Does he have her visor up or down? So what day is it when he has his visor up?
Get up and you can walk.
Friday and Sunday.
You can walk with this.
Sunday?
Can you stand up?
And he changed those on Friday and Sundays.
Fridays and Sundays he puts his visors on.
He changes them.
Oh. Pretty cool.
This guy's going to take his helmet off. You see what it looks like?
Yeah.
This guy has silver glasses. He has silver glasses.
Reflective glasses so the
He has,
sun doesn't get in his eyes.
yeah,
when he's
because
flying.
he has silver glasses.
Jackson, do you still know how to sing? Which French song did you know how to sing?
Oh,
Frère Jacques. Do you remember that one? Are you teaching Ava? Are you teaching Ava any French song?